Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the WordPress dashboard. Whether you're a beginner or looking to sharpen your WordPress skills, this video will walk you through all the options available on the WordPress dashboard. Let's get started. This is the first look of your WordPress dashboard. As a beginner, it may look uneasy to you, seeing all these menus and options all together, but you don't have to worry. I will walk you through all these menus and describe their uses to make you comfortable with those options in a few minutes. First, let's take a look at the main dashboard. This is your central hub for managing your WordPress site. You'll find a summary of your site's activity, including recent posts, comments, and updates. Here in the WordPress homepage, you can see news and updates regarding WordPress. But here are some interesting things. If you click on Screen Options, you can see some checkboxes. If I check on Site Health Status, a new feature arises in the home page. Here you can see information regarding your WordPress site health status. You can see our detailed video on this topic. Now if we click on At a Glance, you can see how many posts and pages you have. This is really helpful when you have too many posts and pages to deal with. If we click on Activity, you can see your recent activity from here. Now check on Quick Draft. Here you can save a draft. Here is a checkbox for letting you know about WordPress events and news. Also, you can see the Welcome option, which is just here to welcome you on WordPress. Now if we go to Updates, we can see the current version of WordPress. It's also featuring themes and plugins and their update statuses. Here I also have this update options from the Easy Update Manager plugin. You won't see this option unless you use that plugin. It helps us to manage updates in a better way. Let's head to the Posts section. Here, you can manage all your blog posts. You can add new posts, edit existing ones, and organize them into categories and tags. It's perfect for keeping your content structure and easy to navigate. Now let's see the Category section. Categories really helpful to manage your posts organized way. When you have too many posts in your website, it's a good practice to put them in a category. Now if you go to Tags, from here you can add new tags. It's really helpful for your website. You can also convert your tags into categories by using Tags to Category Converter. Next, we have Media. This is your media library where you can upload and manage all your images, videos, and other media files. You can use filters to find your images in videos easily from here. Here I have only these two images, so it's only showing these two images to me. You can add new media also. Simply click Add New to upload files from your computer. You can also edit and organize your media here. You can upload your media from here also. Moving on to Pages. Pages are static content like your About Us or Contact page. Unlike posts, they aren't part of a blog and don't have tags or categories. Here you can also use filters to find your existing pages. When you have too many pages, filters are helpful to find your pages easily. Click Add New to create a new page, or edit existing pages to update your content. So if we click on Add New, this new page arises. Here you can give your page name and edit the way you like. And after editing, all you have to do is to publish. Just click on Publish, so you can see your page is published. Here you can see your page. I don't need this page, so I'm going to delete it for now. Let's head to Comments. From here you can see all the comments that are left by your website visitors. You can reply to them and manage their comments. Next up is Appearance. This is where you customize the look and feel of your site. You can change themes, customize your site's appearance, manage widgets, and set up your menus. Click on Add New Themes to explore and install new themes. You can watch our detailed video on how to install the WordPress theme in a smart way from the above link. If you click on Live Preview, you can see how your website is going to look after you activate this theme. Now if we go to Patterns, from here you can manage patterns. Also you can import or add new patterns from here. Here is a Customize option. From here you can edit and customize your website the way you like. I am not gonna edit anything here, so I am going back. Let's go to widgets. A WordPress widget is a modular component that lets you customize your website with a particular feature. There are so many widgets to choose from, you can use whatever suits your website. A WordPress menu, typically found in the header or sidebar, is an arrangement of links designed to facilitate website navigation for users. Links to pages, posts, categories, and custom links can all be found on menus. Let's create a menu with the name Menu 2. Just type the name and click on Create Menu. After that, you have to add existing pages to the menu that you want to show in the menu bar. You can also add posts and custom links. You can customize them in order, can also make sub-item, then just save it. After clicking on the header, you will find yourself in Header Settings, where you can customize your website header. In the Background option, you can manage the background image. You can also upload images and set them as your website background image. Plugins are powerful tools that add functionality to your WordPress site. Under Plugins, you can install, activate, and manage plugins. Click Add New to search for and install plugins from the WordPress repository. The Users section allows you to manage all the user accounts on your site. You can add new users, assign roles, and manage permissions. This is essential for multi-author blogs or sites with multiple administrators if we click on Add New User. From here you can add new user by providing their information, and lastly you have to select the role you want to give to that particular user. And just click on Add New User. Finally, we add settings. This is where you configure all the essential settings for your WordPress site. You can adjust general settings. From here you can change the site title and site icons, taglines, the date and time formats, and there are also things which you might want to change. After changing, just save it. Here in Writing Settings, you can see the default post category, your mail server, login name and password, which you can manage and save changes. From Reading Settings, you can set your website's default homepage. By default, it will be set to your latest post. But if you have a page that you want to save as your website homepage, just click on the Static Page option and then set the page you want. You can also select a post. After that, just save it. In Discussion Settings, there are some additional settings that you might check, or maybe, if you want, you can explore things from here. Don't forget to save changes after you're done. So, I'm going to move on now to the next option. Here in Media Settings, you can manage the size of the images that you upload in the media. There are thumbnail size, medium size, and large size that you can customize. After you are done customizing, you have to save it. WordPress permalink settings are the permanent URLs for a website's content, such as pages, blog posts, categories, and tags. The format of these URLs can impact a site's SEO rankings and user experience. There are some permanent structure to choose from. You can choose whatever structure you like. After choosing the structure, all you have to do is to save. Lastly, we have privacy settings. It's a good practice to read this and try to follow these guidelines. And that's a complete walkthrough of the WordPress dashboard. I hope this helps you understand all the options available. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and subscribe to our channel and help me reach 1,000 subscribers.